Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt as administrator. This ensures you can read stored profile details. Once done, confirm you are on the machine that previously connected to the network. Next, list saved wireless profiles with netwlan show profiles. This shows profile names you will reference. Make sure to copy the profile name exactly, because the next command requires an exact match. If the profile name has spaces, include it in quotes. That prevents errors when you run the reveal step. Now you reveal the password itself. Type netwlan show profile name equals profile name, key equals clear, replacing profile name with the exact name you copied. When you execute this, scan the output for the key content field. That line shows the saved password in plain text. If key content is missing, the key isn't stored or you lack privileges. Make sure you ran Command Prompt as administrator. Remember, this works for Wi-Fi profiles saved on this PC, not for arbitrary remote systems. To finish, copy the key content value and test the connection on a device. If the command fails, first recheck profile spelling and rerun Command Prompt as administrator. Small typos break the query. Once done, confirm the profile exists with netwlan show profiles and retry. If you see access denied, ensure your Windows account has admin rights or open the Wi-Fi settings page to view saved network properties. Use these steps only for networks you own or are authorized to access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.